me. Hey everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this is the November 2020 kit. This is the first layout I'm doing with this kit. I'm a bit behind. Trying to keep up with housework and yard work. I had a chance. Excuse me, sorry, I just got up. So my background is basil cardstock. And the pictures I'm doing, oh my god. I'm doing literally Christmas pictures from 2016. And so I'm that far behind doing Christmas pictures. But I only do them, so my plan is my summer break, I'm going to catch those up using my silhouette die cuts, because I have tons of Christmas themed die cuts and paper, so that's my plan. And my Fiskars, I'm having issues with my Fiskars because it fell, and I have travertine, I think it's called travertine, tile, which is a natural stone tile, and I tell you what, things drop on that and they go into a billion pieces. Does that happen to my glass top? I don't even think I touched it to the floor, to the ground. I don't know, because I went to put it up on my table and it literally shattered in my hands. It was like I stood there in shock with little shards all over around me. That was when we first moved, so that's been almost a year ago, believe it or not. It's like, wow. Anyway, you can see I'm having issues. It broke the plastic that holds my piece down, and so I've tried to, I super glued the tab back in there to kind of hold it down, and it's worked for a while, but now I can't get anything to cut straight. So for the November kit, I didn't get my stuff ordered in time. So I ended up having to get the cardstock, the main kit, which I always get the main kit, but I always get the embellishment add-on, but I had to get the Project Life add-on, which was way too many embellishments. Oh man, I can't get it. So the snowflake pattern is from Hip Kit Club's Murray Everything Exclusive Papers. All my papers are going to be, this was actually in cellophane, so packaging, so the papers were pattern papers. So those are all Hip Kit Club's exclusive papers from Mary Everything. And this light, they put on a light show every Christmas, not Christmas Day, but they start it, and all the decorations go up around the town. Claremont, here in Florida, does a light show, and they play music, and the lights go to the music. And in this container, I have, I'm going to pull out Christmas trees, and this stuff is from last year and the year before that. So what I do is, when I run out of the Christmas papers, any Christmas embellishments I have and pictures I have left, I put to the side for the next year. And so I really wanted to use up these Christmas trees, and this was a perfect chance to do it. So my plan was to put a row of Christmas trees with the picture, but I end up just doing it beside, on either side. Oh, my apologies. And then I just kind of layer them. And I'm wearing a big old sweatshirt because it's chilly. So, these die cuts are Hipkit Club's Make-A-Wish, probably from last year. And let's see here. My title, Shine Bright, is the phrase stickers from 2019, but I have no clue. But it was probably Hipkit Club's Make-A-Wish phrase stickers. And so the chipboard, the die cuts, and the stickers are all from November 2019 Hipkit Club Make-A-Wish. There I'm using the stickers. And it was in the 80s for the longest time. I thought, oh yeah, okay. And I seriously need to wax my car, and the horses always haven't done it in a lot of years. So I desperately need to do it. And now it's cold, and it's going to rain today, and so I don't get to do anything outside. So I'm just looking at what else I can use to embellish and use some of these old kits, because I still have tons of it left, and I'm having to add my Christmas from this year, which I have a ton. And I have a lot of winter-themed pictures too. Oh my gosh. Forgot to put socks on. Alright, so I'm just doing more embellishing. Not much more that I do other than add some stickers. And to kind of finish it up, tie this all together, I need to add some phrase stickers. When something doesn't seem like, gosh, I just need some phrase stickers. I don't know what it is about those things, but it just makes it feel complete. And that completes my layout. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.